Hey everybody, so we're going to Cambodia. It's happening. Very bright. Oh god, I'm blind.
Give it a second. We're going in a balloon.
Pretty awesome view. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. A quick little bit of backstory. I have not edited a video to completion in over a year. So I did this as like a bit of a challenge for myself to actually create something and just put it out there, even if it's just 60 seconds. It's kind of like a teaser for the upcoming vlog that I will be posting soon. I have a lot of videos to Italy, I went to Thailand, I went to Indonesia, so there's a lot of cool stuff coming up, but I wanted to get the ball rolling with even something as quick as 60 seconds. So, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, subscribe. I will be putting out more content in 2019, that is a promise. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!